That cupola's been up there for about probably 30 years, and it's time for a new one. Well, this is going to be sometime this week's project. Cutting the sides, putting this new cupola up on that roof where that cupola has been for 30 years.
Well, these are the angles that I figured out for the cupola. And then next will be to cut them, and hope I figured it right. Well, this is the base of the octagonal cupola, and figuring out the angles was quite fun. This is the middle section with the glass, and this is the top.